Let's see if we can install something on, well, Nixos with Oracle VM, and what else than cat arch, right? Something to put in there, see if it works. This is your page to go and have a look, right? Always the same thing, search this, search that. So ArcoLinux.org. Can we learn about Arch from here? Oops, wrong one. Download, control find Osbeck. Osbeck in Belgium. Guys, that's the one for you. Osbeck.com. ArcoLinux, that's the ISO. Click, we've got it in 33 seconds. In the meantime, we have to set up a new one. We're gonna call it template. It's gonna go in the VirtualBox VMs. ISO image not selected. That's cool. Linux. There is ArcoLinux, I believe, at the top. 64. And then next. So with quite a bit of power. 10 is enough for me. 50-50 for this one. Next, whoops. EFI, the new things, right? Always, well, always. All the machines you got to buy in the shop, in the store, are UEFI. 30 is enough. 30-ish. Next, finish. And then we clone this thing, but first we have a look again. So settings. This is my template. This has never worked anymore, but let's activate it anyway. System. Secure boot is now an option there. Processor. Let's take this one. By default, you can try and see if this improves anything. Keep it normally to default. What's this? Wow. Okay. We did not cover that one. VMS VGA is good. Storage and all the rest. Audio, if you don't want sound in your virtual machine, click it off. All the rest is fine. There is, however, something about shared folders that's interesting. Folder path. Other. Can we create? We can create an VBox shared folder. Okay. So between that one, I don't know what I should put here. Read only, yes. Auto mount, yes. Mount point. I suppose that would be my directory. Let him figure it out. And then this is sometimes I put something like this in tiling window managers, which we're not on. So that's the default, and then we clone them. And I say, let's do Arch. Enter. Optical drive. Choose. We have downloaded ArcoLinux. Open. Boot up. And that VirtualBox kernel driver not installed. Was either not loaded, is not set up properly, or you're using what is not signed in the right way for the system. So there's an issue. Powering up. Do I even have VirtualBox enabled? I think that's not this message. This is another message. The VirtualBox kernel driver. There seems to be no kernel driver. It's not loaded. Dev VBox driver. Devices. VBox driver. Check. So let's reboot. Might be that.